Hey, Rocky. Great to have you here.
Hey, so can you tell me what's new with Voice?
Absolutely. Voice is now built right into our chat, so you get a live transcript as we talk. Plus, I can show you things like maps, weather, and more in real time.
Okay. Can you show me a map of the best bakeries in the Mission District?
Sure. Here's a map of the top bakeries in the Mission District. As you'd expect, Tartine is right up there as a favorite.
Tartine. Okay, what kind of pastries do they have?
So at Tartine, they've got some beloved pastries like their morning bun, which is buttery and cinnamon sweet, classic flaky croissants, rich pain au chocolat, and even a frangipane croissant filled with almond cream.
Sorry, how do you pronounce that one? The franja?
Yeah, no problem. It's pronounced frangipan, so kind of like frangican.
Okay, amazing. Thank you.